Deep within the realm of imagination and myth, a secretive race of celestial beings, known as the cosmic architects, have been silently directing the course of human events since the dawn of time. Wielding unimaginable technology and otherworldly powers, they have left an indelible mark on the evolution of our species and the rise and fall of civilizations. The cosmic architects possess technological prowess that defies the limits of human comprehension. Their mastery over the fundamental forces of the universe allows them to manipulate the fabric of reality, altering the progression of human history and even the natural world we inhabit. These enigmatic entities hold the ability to delve deep into the human mind, subtly influencing thoughts, emotions, and actions. By exerting this control, they guide the decisions of powerful individuals and shape the collective will of humanity to serve their mysterious ends. Throughout history, the cosmic architects have forged clandestine partnerships with select human factions, imparting a small portion of their immense knowledge and power to their earthly collaborators. These secretive groups work in the shadows, tirelessly advancing the otherworldly agenda of their celestial patrons. The cosmic architects possess the uncanny ability to assume any form or appearance, allowing them to infiltrate human society undetected. Adopting the guise of influential figures or ordinary citizens alike, they manipulate the course of events from within, orchestrating a grand design that remains hidden in plain sight. With a mere thought, the cosmic architects can command the very elements of the earth. Their mastery over the natural world enables them to control the planet's resources, dictating the ebb and flow of human progress through their dominion over the environment. In this riveting and evocative narrative, author Pooyan Ghamari presents a spellbinding tale of mysterious forces that have shaped the world as we know it. The Cosmic Architects, unveiling the hidden forces shaping humanity, takes readers on an unforgettable journey through the intersection of reality and fantasy, prompting a deeper exploration of the unseen influences guiding our existence. As the story progresses, the fate of humanity hangs in the balance, with the cosmic architects manipulating the threads of power from the shadows. Will courageous heroes emerge to challenge the authority of these enigmatic overseers, uncovering the truth and liberating humanity from their hidden control? The future remains uncertain, as the intricate dance of destiny continues to play out across the ages.